time the monkeys are way too close. Look at that. Right at our table.
Daddy,
That was nice of
keep
her.
on filming it until it
Found your
moves
crayons
again.
on the floor. Pick them up for you.
Keep on filming it until it moves.
It's usually his hand that keeps swatting at me.
I know. It actually swats the tree.
They have a steak sandwich now. They have a lot more.
So you never want more choice.
Yeah.
That one looks like an angry mama. Look, Daddy, record. Record angry mama.
Hmm.
Okay, now back to that one.
Oh, angry mama twisted her head. Whoa!
At least you got that on film.
Yeah, it's a shaky film, but it's on film.
Because you went back. Wanna see this? That's the first film that Daddy ever.
I mean, don't get me wrong. Oh my God, Frank. She said that. There's chocolate topped banana cheesecake. Not for you. Doesn't that sound yummy for me?
For you. Food.
What?
With chocolate.
Yes, thank you. He's going to have the dino shaped chicken. He's going to have the pasta, marinara sauce. I'm going to actually have the rainforest peanut quesadillas and seaside clam chowder. And Frank?
I'll get the Maya's mixed grill with sauteed mushrooms and caramelized onions.
Are we going to leave it together? Is that all right?
Yes, that'd be great. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Dante, look at the monkeys too.
Nothing's gonna happen. Dante, the gorillas are just afraid of the storm like you are. That's why they're going ooh, ooh, ooh. They're afraid of the storm. Yeah,
Pound's all done.
it's all done.
Did you see the monkeys hanging up in the tree, Dante? Look up high. Look up high in the tree. There's a monkey.
You see the leopard in the tree? With his tail hanging
How
down?
did they come here?
They came here from Africa. And
How did they
Brazil and
How did they disappear?
Where did they go?
Creepy monkey.
It's very blue.
Why did he left? Don't you
Yeah, when you take your time, you color nicely like that.
That's my blue tummy.
Aqueduct, we're getting rain. Space Mountain.